This is the Oh Joyful Day card making kit from Rosie's Studio. In this kit, there is a package of buttons with some adorable printed images in there, a pack of cardboard or cardstock stickers, as well as a 6-inch paper pad. In this paper pad, there are 40 different sheets and 20 designs of 6 by 6-inch paper, and some of them have a little bit of foiling on them for a little bit of extra texture or sparkle. There is also a clear sticker pack. Card making kits like this are perfect for creating cards because all of the elements coordinate well together. You can add in other elements too, but you don't necessarily need to. Here I added a little bit of some other solid cardstocks and then some die cuts and use the elements from this card kit as the base of my cards. By using the colors in the kit, I know that everything is going to coordinate together beautifully, and it takes a lot of the guesswork or a lot of the hard work of coordinating things from card making. You can use them with different die cuts as well as just use the elements on their own, but I tend to add other things to it as well. I love that you can use the better press with the printed papers, but I do put some thicker cardstock behind it just to give it a little bit more dimension. And I absolutely love the final result of all the cards created using this card kit as a base.